Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix pattern lock not recognized on ULEFONE Armor X12. So first, we're gonna go into the safe mode. So first, click and hold the power on button, and now click and hold power off. You will see the pop-up to reboot to safe mode. Click OK. Now while it's restarting, I'll tell you that we're going to attempt putting the pattern in a safe mode to bypass the possible glitches that might occur in normal mode. So the phone is restarting. It should take just a couple of seconds. And it is nearly done. Okay, as you can see in the bottom left corner, we are in the safe mode. So now just try to unlock your phone. If it's still not working, then power off your phone completely. And now click the power on button and simultaneously the volume up button. Okay, and now we're in the recovery mode. So first click with volume up button to recovery mode and volume down. We will go into the recovery mode to perform a factory reset. Be aware that this would wipe out all of your data on the phone. So if you don't want it, then you should probably contact brand support for further assistance. Now with volume down, go into wipe data factory reset and click power on button. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.